Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Pharmacology Made Easy. Today we'll discuss about antiemetics. At first we'll discuss a important classification of antiemetic drug, that is 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor blocker or serotonin antagonist At first start the 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor blocker. They are ondansetron, granisetron, dolasetron, palonosetron. Ondansetron is the prototypical drug of the 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor blocker. What happens when 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor blockers are used? They inhibit peripherally and centrally acting 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor blocker by spinal reflexes and also by blocking the efferent input or efferent impulse or efferent nerve. 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor blocker acts peripherally and centrally. Peripherally, it blocks the 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor, which is induced by chemotherapy induced nausea vomiting, post-operative induced nausea vomiting, or which may be induced by post-surgical nausea vomiting. When this 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor is stimulated by chemotherapy or radiotherapy in the gastrointestinal system, it signals or it sends the efferent impulses towards the chemoreceptor trigger zone, and chemoreceptor trigger zone, we know it is a one kind of vomiting center, and itself it induced vomiting. Also, this chemoreceptor trigger zone sends the signal towards the vomiting center, which is present in the fourth ventricle and which is just medial to the chemoreceptor trigger zone. When this vomiting center is stimulated, it contracts the diaphragm and contract the intercostal muscle. Ultimately, reverse peristalsis occur as there is all sphincter are relaxed in the small intestine and the stomach and also the lower esophageal sphincter. So that's why the vomiting occurs. When we use the 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor blocker, it inhibits the peripherally acting 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor, and also it inhibits the efferent impulse that goes towards the chemoreceptor trigger zone and also into the vomiting center. These gastrointestinal tract 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptors stimulate the vomiting center directly through their chemoreceptors and their 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor. By using these receptors, these directly stimulate the vomiting center and also directly stimulate the chemoreceptor trigger zone through its efferent impulses. When we block the gastrointestinal chemoreceptors and 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor through 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor blocker, it blocks the peripherally acting receptors and the centrally acting center by inhibiting the spinal through the spinal reflexes and through the efferent impulses. So this is the mechanism of action of 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor blockers. Ondansetrons are easily available in our society, and it is 8 mg. The granisetron is 2 mg. The palonosetron is 0.25 mg. If we use orally, these are the 3 drugs which used orally, and this palonosetron only used into IV. The dolasetron is not given nowadays because it causes the prolonged QT interval and causing the prolonged QT syndrome. These 5-hydroxytryptamine receptor blocker are indicated in chemotherapy induced nausea vomiting, post-operative nausea vomiting or post-surgical nausea vomiting, and also used in post-operative or post-radiotherapy induced vomiting. So these are the important drugs that are used in chemotherapy induced nausea vomiting, post-operative nausea vomiting, and also used in post radiotherapy induced vomiting. These drugs are not only used in chemotherapy-induced nausea vomiting, post-operative nausea vomiting, or post-radiation-induced vomiting. It is also used in inhibit the anticipatory vomiting. By using 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor blockers with corticosteroid and with benzodiazepines, we can prevent the anticipatory vomiting. Anticipatory vomiting is a one kind of vomiting that occurs in a patient who receive chemotherapy for a few days. This vomiting is like such as when the patient are taking chemotherapeutic agent. After giving the chemotherapeutic agent, they feel vomiting, and if the date is another date after 1 week, they feel vomiting before giving chemotherapy after 7 days. And this intentional anxiety that produce this type of vomiting is called anticipatory vomiting. And in anticipatory vomiting, we use 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor blocker, which is a useful drugs. Thank you all for listening the 5-hydroxytryptamine 3 receptor blockers.